In this video, you will be learning about browsing in Chrome. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Our profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Finding information online. Chrome makes browsing the web quick and easy. URLs and the address bar. Each website has a unique address called a URL, short for Uniform Resource Locator. It's like a street address that tells your browser where to go on the internet. When you type a URL into the browser's address bar and press Enter on your keyboard, the browser will load the page associated with that URL. In this example, we've typed https://www.oneconnect.org.uk/ into the address bar. Links. Whenever you see a word or phrase on a website that's blue or underlined in blue, it's probably a hyperlink, or link for short. You might already know how links work, even if you've never thought much about them before. Links are used to navigate the web. When you click a link, it will usually take you to a different web page. You may also notice that your cursor changes into a hand icon whenever you hover over a link. The Omnibox. Some browsers use an address bar for navigating to websites and a search bar for conducting web searches. Google Chrome combines these two elements into one bar, known as the Omnibox. By integrating Google's search technology, the Omnibox offers suggestions for websites or potential web searches as you type, which makes navigating the web faster and easier. To use the Omnibox, first type a web address or search term into the Omnibox. Then suggestions will appear below the Omnibox as you type. These may include potential web searches or sites you've previously visited or bookmarked. Then click a suggestion to navigate to a website or conduct a search. You can also type a full web address and press Enter to navigate to a website, just like a regular address bar. Navigating in Chrome. Chrome uses three buttons for navigation in the top navigation bar: the back, forward, and refresh buttons. The back and forward buttons allow you to move through pages you have recently viewed. Click and hold either button to see your recent history. The refresh button will reload the current page. If a website stops working, try using the refresh button. If a web page doesn't load correctly, it will temporarily become the stop button. Click this button to stop a web page from loading. Windows and tabs. Like all browsers, Chrome allows you to open new windows to view different pages. In addition, Chrome allows you to open multiple websites in the same window using tabs. Tabs are usually more convenient than opening several windows at the same time. To open a new window, first click the Chrome menu in the top right corner of the browser. Then select New Window. Alternatively, press Ctrl+N on your keyboard. Then the new window will appear. To open a new tab, first click the New Tab button on the right of Open Tabs. Alternatively, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Then the new tab will appear. Type an address and press Enter to navigate to a new page. Then the page will appear on the new tab. To switch between tabs, first click any tab that is not currently selected. Then the tab will be selected. You can also press Ctrl+Tab on your keyboard to switch between open tabs. To close the tab, hover the mouse over any tab and click the Close Tab button. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+W on your keyboard to close the current tab. Now that you've learned about browsing in Chrome, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.